Independent research firms like IDC, Daratech, Gartner, and others estimate that an average engineering worker spends 15 to 20% of their time just looking for data. If you don't have the right tools, searching and finding the data that you're looking for can be very time-consuming, especially if you have a slow network, a slow server, or worse yet, both. Here's a traditional workflow without having a PDM tool. To find the file you're looking for, you need to go to the engineering network drive and drill up and down through an arcane folder structure looking for the drawing in question. As you can see, this is obviously inefficient and time-consuming. Another option would be to go to the top-level engineering folder, type in your part number, and let the Windows search function look for it. But depending on your network speed, your server speed, this can take a very long time. Assuming you do find a match using one of these two methods, the related information you can see is very limited. You get a picture, but that's about it. Is this the right version? What material is this made out of? Etc., etc. To find out this information, you'd have to open it in your CAD system, if you have it, and that would take even more time. There's a better way to search, find, and reuse your engineering data. Searching using SOLIDWORKS PDM. Now let's take a look at these same tasks, but instead let's use SOLIDWORKS PDM Professional. Among the many other benefits of having your data in SOLIDWORKS PDM Professional is the ability to almost instantly find what you're looking for. Let's look for a part number, and let's pretend we don't know the entire part number. We only know the part we're looking for is a 2300 series. Just like a Google search, you can type in a portion of the part number that you know, and you can quickly get all the matching results. If you get too many results, you can refine your search further by adding additional data. Besides all the matching part numbers you can see listed here, additional data like the revision, the description, and many other pieces of important information are listed. In addition to all this metadata, you can also see other important information like where the part is used, what other documents are related, and you also get a fantastic graphical preview before you spend any time opening the document. Now that you've found what you're looking for, opening it is as easy as a right click. As you can see, this makes your job of finding the right piece of data much easier and faster. Our existing PDM customers have told us that the speed and accuracy of searching is the #1 contributor to their ROI in PDM. Another inherent benefit to using SOLIDWORKS PDM Professional in your engineering department is increasing your data reuse. At companies that don't have these tools, what can happen is that when the employee can't easily and quickly find what they're looking for, they oftentimes give up and simply recreate the drawing or the part. This compounds the problem because, in the future, if another employee goes to look for this same part, they may find duplicates, and then they have to spend yet more time talking to coworkers to determine which of the many iterations is the correct one. If you give your engineering department the tools to quickly and easily find what they're looking for during the design process, the percent of data reuse will be much higher. Hopefully you've seen that using SOLIDWORKS PDM Professional, you can easily and quickly search, find, and reuse your data.